Right, you're watching The Fact Flash, and today we've been joined by none other than Shreya Dondial. And she's somebody that I have been looking up to growing up, and I was so glad to have shared the stage with her today. And thank you so much.
You made me feel very old.
Chalo, even though you don't look old, but yeah.
No,
So,
feel old. Bolo.
I just have a couple of questions. One, that what do you think about the rising solo content creators slash info content creators who are out here trying to give like real news?
Well, more power to them because they have an independent voice.
Yeah.
They are not governed by market forces. They don't have the sort of pressures that mainstream channels have. So may their tribe grow. May their voice always remain independent, and may they find many viewers. But as I always say, as an independent creator, the one thing you need to have more than anything else is credibility.
Right.
People need to trust you. People need to know ये जो लड़की बोल रही है ना सही बोल रही है. If we want real news, we'll go to her. If we want tamasha, we can go to 10 other people. But if we want genuine, real news, this is one channel to watch.
And it is often said that in the news business, you can either make money or you can either present the right news. What would you say on that?
Look, I mean, money is relative, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure you're not talking a money,
Yeah.
a money leverage. See, as a journalist, in any case, when we came into journalism, one of the things that our teachers very clearly told us, if you want to be rich, this is not the profession for you.
True.
So, honestly, most journalists will not be driven by money. Of course, it's not like they don't need money. They need money, to keep the kitchen fires burning in their house and to send their children to school and pay their EMIs. But all of us knew when we were entering journalism, we would never be super rich.
Right.
And that is absolutely fine because that is a choice we make. Otherwise, we would have become lawyers.
Yeah.
Right? Or we would have become people with businesses. Or we would have become bankers. We chose to be journalists.
True.
So, ab jhola chhap wale din to chale gaye. Pays are much better. But look, I think you can manage to be an honest journalist and earn a decent salary. I will not say you can earn crores.
True.
But you can earn enough with honesty and integrity. Apna ghar chalne ke liye you can earn enough. That much I can tell you.
Right. And at the end, one piece of advice that you would want to give me.
One piece of advice.
It could be just one thing that you want to tell me.
I would tell you to keep walking. To keep walking, to not stop. Don't stop. Sometimes you'll be frustrated. Sometimes you'll feel, I'm doing so much and I don't have viewers.
Yes.
But I'm making such an effort and I'm telling such good stories. Why is no one listening? Keep walking. I had the most amazing lesson in life by this lady called Kavita, who runs something called Kavita's Kitchen, which I had not heard of till I met her because I was interviewing her in a panel. And she told me that she made more than 1,800 videos before she finally became famous or went viral or finally had her first subscriber. She told me she had her first subscriber only after she had made her 801st video or something like that. And that told me a story that you require consistency. That lady taught me that consistency will get you everywhere. She didn't stop at 100.
Yeah.
She didn't stop at 200. She didn't stop at 700. And I know she wouldn't have not stopped at 800 also. But imagine getting your first subscriber or whatever after so many videos. So my advice to you and anyone who is embarking on an independent course is always this: keep walking, be flexible, recalibrate, never give.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Guys, all the very best to the Fact Flash, because above all, facts are what matters. So I hope you do meaningful journalism always.
Thank you so much, ma'am.